How you feeling?
It's the morning, you know, everyone's getting here. We're just trying to figure out what to start. Well, we actually know what we're starting with over here, but trying to see exactly what they want us to get. And that's what we're talking about right now.
So Steven, how are you feeling about today?
Pretty good.
Any concerns?
I just need some coffee right now.
I feel that. So what you working on right now?
Just got all the mics set up. This is my go-to bag with the recorder in it, all the time code generators, my personal Fuji X100S.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so this is it. This is the room. It's a little messy, but
Ground zero. Yeah. Getting the steady cam ready.
Steven? Yeah. Does this have to be mounted where?
anywhere.
On top?
Yeah, you can put it on top. Let me get you the cable.
How you feeling, Otto?
Good. Yeah, just setting up the tilted float, getting it balanced correctly.
It's one or the other. I can also put a lighter grid cloth on there. It'll take some time, but I can.
I feel like I'm on a reality show.
Definitely.
Real
Joe,
Hey Cody,
are
when you get a sec,
just
will you
getting the
come?
shot of them coming out, or did you want them to go down as well and everything?
I don't think we need to actually show them being loaded onto the ambulance.
Okay.
We can end scene with them going
Just
towards
getting
the
out?
ambulance with a gurney.
Okay.
This one?
Yeah, that's 6, because see right here, we have, I looked at what 610 is that we have called out somewhere else, and it's like the exact same words, I think, as we were recombinating this.
So we're gonna reuse that 6-7.
Right, see, 6.
Camera rolling.
Sound speed.
Evolution 5. Scene 6.5. Take 1.
Cut?
Yeah.
Yep, just redo it, and you're gonna buffer it with, we'll get you guys got a lot of good footage. This scene, it isn't dialogue or anything, it's gonna have a voiceover.
We're gonna talk to the transport group and see what we can take what. We'll put 2 in each room. So red and brown.
How do you feel about that, Steven?
I think it went well. This XLR, I need to get a shorter one. This is way too long.
It looks a little long.
Armin, are we done from here?
How do you feel about that, Armin?
Good. Pretty smooth. Quick. We're supposed to finish at 11 and now it's 10 barely. So.
Luis, how do you feel about that?
It was good. It was shot fast. We're ahead of time right now, but we never know what happens later.
Good. It went good. You want to get Taylor so you guys can knock out these lights?
Yeah, I think we would ask for law enforcement.
And action. Camera rolling. Rolling.
Sound speed. Evolution 4, 5, 3, take 2.
Action.
Yes.
All right.
Here we've got 3 reds and
Steven, how did that last scene go?
It was good, a lot of action. I forgot to wear my little Action 5 Pros, so I really wanted it for the moving scenes, and then once we started, I was like, I forgot to wear it. But it's going pretty well.
Does your chair go any higher? Or lower? There we go. That's not it. Okay, cool. Camera rolling.
Rolling.
Sound speed.
Evolution 6, 614, 228, take 1.
And action.
I'm all alone. It's like I'm playing Death Stranding. It's pretty crazy. Things going pretty good. Wish I could do more to help. These guys already got everything pretty on lock.